My name is Martha Ramos. I'm a property manager for Crossbridge Condominiums. I've been a property manager for 8 years. Currently, I have a multi-portfolio condominium setup. So I have 2 properties located downtown. One is more of a variety of residents. We have young professionals, we have renters, we have elderly, and the other property I would say is mostly retired elderly residents. It's a very small boutique style condo. They're both very unique. One is very tucked into downtown, very quiet, no amenities, very simple. They love their gardening and their landscaping. And then the other, they have amenities and they have they're very active. They want to be kept in the loop all the time. So I'd say the requirement for communication is different. The way that I handle the residents has to be customized to each property. Both buildings are older. They're about 30 years old. Lots of big projects, lots of repairing and replacing as the buildings are getting older. Things are starting to break down. Previous to Condo Control, it was really hard for me to juggle everything and ensure that everything was completed and tracked, and I didn't miss anything. I didn't cross my T's and dot my I's. So that was a big challenge for me to make sure that I was organized and everything was being taken care of. I had a pen and paper. I would make lists constantly for each building and cross off as I went along, make notes on the side, and I would use my Outlook calendar as much as I could to schedule things in. But I'm sure you can understand that it's hard when you don't have everything in one place. At the building that I'm at currently, the board actually implemented it to ensure that residents were kept in the loop and all notices were sent out. But upon being trained by the board, I was able to see other features that I could take advantage of as a property manager to take care of the more internal things. My favorite feature is tasks. So that is something where you can input anything from your management report after following a board meeting, or a board member can create a task, or property management can create a task. And from there, you can put in your quotations, you can put in your PO, you can put in the engineer specs, and the board can vote, and everything that needs to be done to complete a task or an assignment is there all in one place. So, and then at the end of it, you check it off. So these major projects, there's so much documents to have backed up. You put it all in one place, and at the end of it, when you're ready to invoice everything out and close the project, print it all off in the same place, and the auditor's happy, your board members are happy, and the management's happy. To simply put it, just organization as a whole. It's a portal for everything in one place, between staff communication, resident communication, board communication, and consolidating all the vendor information that you need, even legal documents. So it really helped me organize my workday, especially as a multi-portfolio manager. And that's really the most important part about property management, is ensuring that you're organized, because it's not just one simple job. You're a multifaceted person in this industry. All my projects, from internal to external to residential to staff, have been streamlined seamlessly through Condo Control. It's a great way to keep myself accountable, and a great way to keep my staff and myself accountable for each other, to make sure that nothing gets missed.